click the Review tab on the ribbon. You want to delete all comments as they are no longer needed. In the Comments group, click the Next button. Excel advances to the first comment in the worksheet in cell A11. In the Comments group, click the Delete button. Excel deletes the comment attached to the cell. In the Comments group, click the Next button. Excel advances to the next comment in the worksheet in cell A18. In the Comments group, click the Delete button. Excel deletes the comment attached to the cell.